Big Mom's Test Kitchen round 2 with Miss Lily.
Now? Okay.
Yes, go for it.
It smells so hot. My friend
Don't chew it. Suck it a little bit.
my friend eats these without any problem.
But what do you do? How is it?
Good.
Oh, good. Don't need a drink? Okay, hold your hand out.
More? Okay. 1.
2 at a time. Here we go.
Okay.
2.
Suck.
Feel the fire-breathing dragon in yourself. Look. Breathe fire. How is it?
Good.
You need a drink? She's doing
I
it.
can handle more.
You get to do 3 in level 3, and that's it. Put your hand out. Cup it a little bit. Whoa.
4.
Uh-oh. Can you do level 4?
I'll try.
All right. Lily's got 4. She's going to go for it.
Oh no.
She's going for level 4.
I already got that. I already did all of them.
Come on.
So she did level 1 hot sauce, level 2 banana pepper, level 3.
She's skipping 3 and going straight to 4.
Oh. So
Suck them.
She did level 1 hot sauce, banana pepper, and now she's already on to the ghost pepper.
Yes.
Wow.
Is she crying yet?
No.
You like spicy, don't you?
Do you want to go to level 5?
No.
No.
Let me.
No. How is it?
Good.
All right. You can have some milk now, babe. All right. Thank you for
Bye.
playing. She's a spicy.